And infrastructure is the foundation that communication systems are built on. Infrastructure is a broad term that includes the wiring, patch panels, and switches that tie the whole system together. Existing networks have an enormous amount of data and voice equipment, and some of this can be used in a converged environment with no changes necessary. Other types of equipment may require hardware or software upgrades, while still other equipment will need to be replaced. So how do you decide how to converge your infrastructure? Well, it's actually highly technical, known only to a very, very few highly trained individuals. But, in its simplest form, basically, the idea is to migrate to convergence using common sense. Well, okay, so maybe common sense isn't that technical, but, sometimes it can seem pretty rare. Let's look at some examples. If you're moving your company toward convergence and are adding a new building or location, convergence is easy. Just make sure all the equipment you purchase for the new location supports the hardware and software requirements for use in a converged network. But what if you're just upgrading an existing location? In this case, you need to do some planning. You need to inventory your existing equipment and see what's convergence ready, what can be upgraded, and what can't. Once you know this, you're ready for the next step. And the next step is to decide whether you're going to converge your whole network at once. If not, you can move some of the older equipment to the non-converged section and start converging the primary side of the network with any existing equipment that's convergence ready. You'll need to add new equipment that supports convergence to this area as required. Creating your converged network this way allows you to slowly migrate your network without having to discard any existing equipment. Eventually, over time, the older equipment will need to be replaced anyway as it becomes outdated, and this is the time to replace it with convergence-ready gear.